Hello and welcome to another update video on Cronos. In yesterday's video we looked at some support levels here, which we can now adjust together just very slightly. And we looked at the wave structure, the wave count, which is still valid for now. But the price obviously experiences some heavy selling today after we had a pump a few days ago that started a few days ago. And it's obviously continuing, you could say still, depending on which perspective you take. But now we have on the shorter time frame, you could say a sell-off. The overall trend still seems to be up, but I will tell you when, at least based on the model we are using here, the Elliott wave structures, the uptrend is likely breaking, right? When does it start to break? So again, it remains a very fragile chart, in my opinion. It's super fragile. This is a structure which is possibly just unfolding as an ABC structure to the upside because the price formed an all-time low here into the October-September 2023 lows. It is not really a reliable chart, okay, but we do have some. We had a nice rally, right? It's still unfolding technically. Obviously, this here could just be a pullback in the rally. And the scenario I'm tracking is an ABC structure, which could turn into a 5-wave move. If that happens, we will not know until we get the next move to the upside, labeled either white wave C or orange wave 3, and then until we see a higher low in the pullback. There will be a support area that I will track for orange wave 4. But for now, the price still appears to be, anyway, in wave C anyway. That could be wave C in the white count, or if with a more bullish lens, with a more bullish lens, the third wave in orange, right? But the difference really between these scenarios is really only going to become clear after this rally is done, and it seems to need another 4 or 5 pattern, and then we need to watch, can we actually hold the next higher low? There will be a support area. I mean, in the end, the wave structures here are not really to be understood as a crystal ball. The wave structures are not to be understood as an absolute prediction, but they can be used for us to identify the support and resistance levels that we need in order to understand the trend. And support is holding. Support is between 17.3 cents and 26.6 cents. However, below 17.3 cents, it will start to break. Technically speaking, this move to the upside could be an ending diagonal in the white scenario. So technically, this wave 4 needs to be given a little bit more room, potentially all the way down to the 61.8 retracement, but that would look strange. Elliott wave is also about the right look. And a wave 4 that goes that deep, while it's technically valid, I can tell you that, in my opinion, already a break below 17.3 cents would make it more likely that a more meaningful top has already been formed. So for now, I'm tracking a wave 4 pullback next. Could be unfolding already. It's important that we ideally hold 17.3 cents. So I'm going to watch this support zone for reaction. Now let's also take a quick look at the shorter time frame here on the daily chart. It's the same wave count, but we have some more detail here. If we zoom in a little bit, then you see a micro support area here at 24.4 cents. It just means, again, this is much more detailed. It means that as long as we're holding the 24.4 cent level, we might even get another upside extension in this third wave. But a break below that level will be our signal that this fourth wave has already started. And so we're basically now at this intersection where, okay, we could get one more high in this third wave, but maybe we're already in the fourth wave. Support is, as I said, around 17.3 cents, 17.2, 17.3. Please understand this is a very, very volatile chart. And in the very short term, we're now testing this first micro support area. But you see, we have not yet found any support. So the next micro support is indeed this 24.4 cent level. Any break below, it wouldn't be necessarily surprising. Just highlighting this as a possible signal level, which helps us distinguish between, okay, Are we still in the third wave? Or are we already in the larger degree wave 4? So that's how I see CRO at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.